frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess the ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up.
What's up, goodies? It's your girl Juliana. My phone is very foggy. I don't know if it's the lighting or whatever, but y'all, I'm in my car at present. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, and all that good stuff. Y'all, my phone is very foggy. I think I need to wipe the lens off, but I'm driving, y'all, so I can't even do that right now. Let me see. Hold on a minute. Let's see. Okay, all right. I really did need to wipe it off. Look at that. Make us start over. What's up, goodies? It's your girl Julia, and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, look at my drive fast. If it is your first time here to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that way you'll always be the first one to be notified whenever I upload brand new video. And for all I'm returning good, you don't know, so I'm going over to the back straight. Alright, so it is Vlogmas day number. I don't have no clue what it is. But I know it's Vlogmas, so we're doing that every day. Let's just say this. A whole lot of damn things going on, right? Y'all, had to go to my daughter's house today. I did make a video. Actually, I made a cooking video today. Wanted to edit it, but I couldn't get a chance to edit it because I had to go to baby girl's house. And it's nighttime right now. And by the time I get home, I'm on the way heading home from Atlanta. But by the time I get home, it's definitely going to be too late. By the time I edit that video and everything, it's going to be hella late. So I figure I'll just come on here and just chat with you guys right now. Okay? But I did do a, what am I doing? Turkey neck. Yeah, I did a turkey neck. Brown stew turkey neck, Jamaican style. I did that today. So I'll edit it and get it out to you guys tomorrow. So that's gonna be tomorrow's Vlogmas. So make sure I say I'm gonna post notification on, so I'm gonna know when I upload that video there. Okay? And make sure I say not only I'm gonna know when I upload it, but make sure I I'm gonna make sure I thumbs it up. I hope I don't run out of gas now. I'm low on gas too. But anyways, you guys, that's gonna be tomorrow's video. Okay? Alright, so today I went to see baby girl. I was supposed to go into the supermarket, the farmer's market on that side of town, but I didn't get to make it there either. I did go into Didi's discount store, but by the time I got to Didi's discount store, it was like 8:30. It's presently 9:35 right now. It's very late, so I'm trying to head home to feed my fur baby before I start throwing up with hunger, because my husband don't know how to feed him. So I have to go home and feed him. So I'm like literally racing to get home as safely. Okay, but yeah, you guys, that is it. So didn't get a chance to do much of what I had planned to do today because I had a very late start. And by the time I got done doing the video and I had to eat before I left, it was already like 2 something in the evening. And by the time I get to my daughter's house, it was already evening. By the time I got there sitting and talking, it was already night. By the time I left and got to the discount store, it was already nighting. So right now it's like literally 9:30. Okay, it's like 9:30. So yeah, 9:37 actually. So I'm hoping as soon as I get in the house, I'm gonna stop for gas too, because I do need to buy some gas because my tank is low. And I didn't even realize that my gas tank was low until I was already on the highway heading home. And to be honest with you, certain parts of Atlanta, I am not getting out of my truck to put any gas in my tank, okay? Because certain parts of Atlanta is rough. rough. And that side of Atlanta, well, not that direct side, but where Dee Dee's discount store is, they have a lot of things going on over there, okay? So I'm not going to get out my car. Now, if I had went to Stockbridge, I would have gotten gas on that side of town, because Stockbridge, where Dee Dee's is located, is a much better area. But the Dee Dee's that is located in Riverdale is not a good area. Trust me. It's not. So I didn't want to take any chance getting out of there, because they even had people outside of the store that was begging for money. Okay. So I wasn't going to try. Where am I? Yeah, I wasn't going to try to get out of my car to go get no gas over that side of town. Hell no. So I'm just going to be heading home, you guys, and put gas my side of town, okay? We're going to put gas in my side of town. That's it. Where me feel safe, okay? And that's how that rolls. That's how that rolls, y'all. But yeah, it was a good day though. I hope you guys are doing well, doing well. I hope you guys are doing well, amazing and fabulous, like you should. But most of all though, I hope that you are all enjoying the Vlogmas. Aren't you guys proud of me, y'all? Like literally may I upload a video every single day. I'm like so damn proud of myself. And it really, I think I really needed was to do this though. I really needed let me go down this way. I really needed was to do this simply because, you know, I did need the push, the mojo to kind of tell myself, say, hey, turn off the lighter. To kind of tell myself, say, hey girl, you could do it. You know what I'm saying? You could do it. You can definitely upload a video, not every day. After Vlogmas is over, it's not going to be a video every day. It's going to be a video like I say 2 times a week. But 2 times a week is good for the cooking channel. Or maybe 3, maybe. I'll say 3. We'll do 3. It's definitely going to be a vlog in it too, because we are definitely going to be doing these vlogs on the channel like I used to when I first started doing Vlogmas and stuff. Not Vlogmas, doing vlogs, because I used to vlog a lot when I first started this channel. And when I stopped doing that, y'all, YouTube locked me into cooking only, okay? Locked me into cooking only. So I want to start vlogging again. Maybe going to the supermarket or whatever, anything food related. Maybe do some food reviews. If I feel like cooking and doing a mukbang, I want to be doing that. I want to be doing that too, because it is food related. Even though someone wanna bun me out with my mukbang, okay, it's still food review. It's still food review, you guys. So just calm down, y'all. Calm down, okay? Calm down. Because at the end of the day, Juliana is the one who has to answer to YouTube. So, okay, knock if you buck, okay? Knock if you buck, because this 2025, you guys, I'm definitely going to be cutting some people. I'm going to be chopping people from left to right, man, because I'm not even going to tolerate any negative energy. Like, I'm just going to be knocking and bucking. Like, you knock, I buck, you buck, you knock. That's going to be cutting some people off, like, literally. Okay? Any negativity will come, but that's gonna just block them. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that's what we planning on doing for 25. Y'all, on a serious note though, my mental state of mind right now is kind of like blah. You know, and for those of you like that don't know why I said that, is because I think I'm on the eve, or almost on the eve, of the day that my sister died. I don't even know what to do or how to act, like literally. So I'm like walking and doing everything that I normally do, but I'm kind of not knowing what's really going on a mental level. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I've been dealing with. I got a gas station because, baby, I need some gas, okay? Because I'm literally out. I think I'm going to go ahead and use my card out here because I'm safe here, like literally safe. I could do what I want to do right there, but not anywhere else. Not anywhere else, honey baby. Let me go ahead and use the card that is affiliated with Chevron so I could get my credit. I could get my bonus points. I could use it towards something, right? All right, y'all, so let me shut it here, go get my gas. Or maybe I'll just keep it running. Let's just keep it running, okay?
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problem.
Well, that was easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of fill up my tank. We're gonna put maybe about 40 in there. That will fill it up, maybe 40 or 50. So that way I don't have to put no gas in there anytime soon, because when it cold like this, you guys, I don't want to come out my car to put no gas in my tank. So we're gonna put about $40-50 in there. I'd say $50, and then that should be good. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right there. So I'm gonna end this right here. Ooh, I'm pretty full because I did eat dinner. That same dinner that I told you that I made today. Get a oxtail with cold peas, rice and peas. I made some coleslaw, and I did fry some plantains, and that was dinner today. And trust me, I am stuffed. Okay, I am still stuffed. And then I went over my daughter's house and I had a donut and some coffee. I'm stuffed. And I am drinking ginger ale and water in here. So I'm stuffed. Yeah, very literally stuffed. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to end this right here. I have already $50 in my tank. I will see you in the next one. Until always remember, tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them, come good and send them come. I'm waiting. I want to get done doing that. Tell me what I want to see me cook next time in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy. Later.